Like a... Hi guys, this is Jisayah. Today I'm going to the store to get some LOLs for my Christmas money that my brother and sister got me. Do you guys want to come with me and see what I'm going to pick? My mom is driving me to the store, by the way. Guys, did you see that? I just seen a military airplane. So we are going to the exchange to get my LOLs. We are going on the military base because we live in Germany and yeah. Guys, I'm so excited. We are already at the store now. We are walking to the exchange and we are going to the toy store. Look what I just found. These are so cute. Aww. Look. These all are so cute. It says Pugs and Kisses XOXO.
Oh my god.
This is so... what is this?
There you go, check. Nothing in it, huh?
No.
All sold out.
I know. Look, I found a squishy pencil.
What is it?
I see these are kind of like LOLs, but they're called adorables and they have 11 surprises in them. So you get doll in outfits, then you get accessories, 2 accessories, and then you get signature card, a cone, 4 stickers, shoes, and a collector's list. And then you get a doll, and the doll I really want is her or her. I really want to get these, but today I'm not getting them because I'm actually trying to find LOLs. We are here!
Alright.
We're at the toy store.
Good enough to get it.
I found them. I'm getting this one. What? Getting this one and this one. I'm getting 2 of them. I'm getting 3.
You getting 3?
Let's go home and open these up. I am so excited to open these.
I'm very excited.
We just got the LOLs and now we are going home to open them. Let's open our LOL surprises. I'm gonna get this one out first because I accidentally opened this one in the car, so. And I got a limited edition one. I think I got a limited edition one, but I have a golden ball, and yeah. I'm gonna open my first one. sister's shoes. And open our second one. This baby looks exactly like me. She's so cute. I got the checklist and I got the magnifying glass. I got the big sister's little hat. So, let me see what her name is. Her name is Little Shimon Queen. And she's a color changer. Now on the back there is something like a mission you have to do. That's my first one. Checklist. Magnifying glass. Let's go for the second one. So if you guys don't know how to open it, you see the zipper, zipper on the back. You have to peel it like this, zip it down, and then it should just open like that. Try not to break the wrapper so I can figure out the clue. My clue is pet lover. So this is the clue, if you guys can see it. And the name is Pet Lover. I got a pink one this time. So I got a pink ball this time. Got the same thing. You don't need that. Oh my goodness. So cute. She has little high heels. See? They're pink. This is the part for the keychain. Well, this is the keychain. No way. A crown. That is so cool. It even even fits her, even though it's for her big sister. That's so. The last one. This one is Fashion Fam. This one is dark pink. This one is so cute. It has pink in her hair. She has a little phone. It has her on it. Emojis on it. So now she can go in it. Oh, that's so cute. My favorite one is this one because this is the only one that has a bag. It's so cute. Even the phone is so cool. Like so many things can go in here. It's so cute. Oh, and one more thing, I made this up. And to make a bed, you have to take this part off and then put it inside this, in the inside of the hole. And then you take the other piece, stick it in like this, and you just put them inside. Because this part is like a... Oh my god. I am so sorry about that. So what I was talking about is you have to put it in like this, put it in tight, or that will happen. And you put the doll in, but you don't have to do this part because you only have to do that part if you want to hang it somewhere. And so just put them in. It's like a little crib for the babies. Before I end this video, her name is Little Goody, and she's from the Storybook Club. And
which one was that?
Little Goody, and she's from the Storybook Club. This one.
No.
And then her name is little suit princess, and she's from the glam club, and her name is Little Shimon Queen, and she's from the glittery club. Three of them. Oh, and last but not least, I have to show you how they color change.
Okay.
We didn't have any ice, so we just used an ice pack. So just put it on there. Look at her feet. That is so cool. Her feet change color. So they go to pink. It's like little shoes. And then her underwear go to little stars. And then, also her hair goes very dark pink. Look. And this one, her feet also change. And then, her underwear go to something else. Oh, it goes to a little bow. That is so cute. And then, does anything go to her face? Something? No. But then her hair, her bow, it goes to dark pink too. If you have ice cold water, it would go way faster. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe for more.